Hey everyone, Dr. Chris here, and I want to invite you to a special workshop that we're doing on February 1st. It's a Monday at 10 a.m. We're going to have coffee, we're going to have snacks, or some of our favorite snacks as far as the refreshments go. But what the workshop is about is making your chiropractic care more effective. So maybe you've been to a similar workshop of ours in the past. Like we didn't do like any of these in 2020, so if you started your care in 2020, you haven't been. If you've been here for a longer period of time, it may be time for a refresher. So in this class, we're going to teach you things that you can be doing on your own to make your results better. Because there's definitely things you can be doing to make them worse. Bad posture, toxic food, not enough sleep. There's a whole list. But there's stuff that you can be proactively doing to improve your results in your health overall and with your chiropractic care. So we're gonna go over that. It's about a 45-minute workshop. We do have a sign-up sheet up at the front desk. If you are seeing this digitally, of course, you can just reply to this email and we'll put you on the list. You can bring a friend. We'll make sure to have enough seats and coffee and tea and everything that you would need to make it a fun experience. So we invite you to this. Again, it's going to be February 1st, 10 a.m. If you're, Zooming at that time, if you've got work, if you've got other stuff, don't worry. A few weeks after that, we're going to do an afternoon or like early evening version. So maybe you can attend that one. If you're in that category, if hey, 10 a.m. just doesn't work, all good. Email us anyway saying you want to come, but just let you know when the afternoon or evening one is going to take place, and we'll put you on that priority list. So again, come learn about things you can be doing proactively to make sure that you are getting the best results in your health and really getting to the levels of health that you want even faster. So just reply to this email, send us a text, tell us when you're in the office, sign up at the front desk. Whatever way or method you want to RSVP, please do it. And we look forward to sharing and teaching on that Monday. See ya. Bye.